So I didn't want to waste the stock. This is the vegetable stock. And I added some fresh onions to kind of freshen it up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make Pancit Canton, which, if you look at it, I'm going to break it up. It's this kind of noodle. Okay, so I'm going to put those in there, and that's going to boil up. I'm going to put the whole package in. I'm not even going to break this up. It's come to a boil. Some people put the whole package in. I just like to add it. Bring this down. Okay. I got a lot of noodles though. There we go. Just good. These boil really fast, so let's do that. If you're able to cook with your mom or your grandmother or any family member that has secret recipes or recipes that you grew up with and you enjoy, pay attention. There's so much wisdom. I wish I would have, before my grandmother passed, both of them, I wish I'd have really paid more attention to the recipes, because they were amazing cooks, amazing chefs that really put love into their food. There we go. Now it's softening up. I don't want to overcook this. So